Hi, my name is Forrest. I'm the Assembly Member for 8057, representing Fort Greene, Clinton Hill, and Crown Heights. What does CUNY mean to me? CUNY is a life changer for me. It allowed me to pivot after obtaining a first degree, and it didn't work out, and I was able to pivot and gain access to a new career. That means that I also was able to take care of myself, take care of my family, and CUNY also connected me with a world I never thought that was accessible to me, a world that was grounded in civic engagement, that really allowed me to flourish as a citizen living in New York City. What CUNY would mean to my community is more access. Not only access to more educational opportunities, but more access to civic engagement, access to a faculty rooted in New York City. The adjunct professors, the tenured professors are workers in New York City. They're builders in New York City. And then also, people who are connected to people bring more to the table. And so it's always lovely for me to see that when I walk into a space, an agency, a business, a lot of people are CUNY bred, CUNY raised, whether it's their parents or themselves, their aunties or their uncles or their neighbors, their friends. So I really see this CUNY as a reflection of the city and as a reflection of my community, and I just can't lose that.